Hey everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Transfer and to part 2 of our LinkedIn job bot series. In the last video, we covered what the bot is going to do and what files we need. Now it's time to build the very first building block, reading job keywords from an Excel file and looping through each keyword using Power Automate Desktop. Let's get started. Here the Excel file we will be using, its name JobKeywords.xl. So I have just given here keywords Excel and it is contain just one column titles keywords. Each row contains different job title we want to search, like Python developer but and remote automation. So we can give automation tester, RPA freelancer, etc. We will read this file and use each keyword one at a time in our bot. Let's open Power Automate desktop. Once you here, I have not I deleted my existing ones. I have not, nothing is developed code earlier yet now. So you can click on a new flow here. If you already existing, you'll won't be able to see this window. You just go here new and click on the flow. Let's go with this. Okay, and I'm giving you the flow name is read Excel loop. Don't click on don't enable the power effects here. I'm keeping this disable mode and just clicking on the create. This will open up the flow editor where we will drag and drop all our actions. Now it is taking time to load it. Now let's add action to launch Excel and retrieve data. So once you are here, you need first launch Excel. I'll just search here launch. So you'll see here I just drag and drop in a workspace. Select and open following because we already have an existing one. Click on the document path, go to the folder, and you'll see the in a desktop I have kept this file. I'll just select the keyword. This is my Excel file path. And time being you can just make instance visible and open as a read only. The variable produced, this is a Excel instance. I just marked it save. Now another one is just type Excel here. Now you want to read this Excel. Just scroll down, maybe you'll get it here. Read Excel. Just drag and drop here. Select here all variable values from worksheet. The variable produce the whatever the data as comes under this will comes into a data table. Data table is kind of a replicate of a data Excel sheet. So it's I'll just go and save it here. This will read all data and store it into data table that we can loop through. Now we need for each for the looping, so I'll just search it for each. Okay, and scroll it down here, just drag it drop, and the value to iterate you need to give the current item in Excel data. So just click on this and you'll see that okay, you want to iterate on Excel data, just select this and save it. Once you're done, if you see here is for each loop started and ending. Now you need to set the variable. So here you just type variable and set variable. If I say set variable, just do and drag and drop here. Once the set variable is pop up, the variable name you just give it here, current variable or current keyword, because we are looping through on a keyword, current keyword, and the value you just click on this and current item. So we can give this current item, and let's try it out if we can do this way. Otherwise we need to debug. I'll just save it by time being, and we can this way, but we will give one more, which is a message to just display on our face. I'll just drag and drop, and the message box title I'll just give keywords, extracted keywords, and here if I say in display, you just give the variable current keyword, keep message always on top until we click on OK button. So I'll just save it. Now let's I'll just close this Excel, whatever it is open, and just I'll run it. Let's say okay, so it is saying that it is the first, what it is saying, that's keywords. Now it's Python developer, and the third one is remote automation. So we need to correct it, because the keywords is our column name, not the value. So we'll go with the set variable, and here we'll just make it bracket under this double quote, and we'll type keywords, and let's hit the save button. Now let's run. Okay, so keywords, it throws an error. We'll set it here. So you just do enable here, first line of range contains a column. So we have the Excel sheet contains a column, so just enabled it and do the save. The variable keep as is. Here just remove this what additional code we have added and just save. And I'll just close this instances what we have kept open, and also we don't require the instance to be enabled. We'll go to the launch Excel, and we'll just disable it and do the save. I'll run it again. Now if we see, our first value would be a Python developer, and the second value is showing remote automation. Perfect. The bot is reading each row from Excel, extracting the keywords and printing it in a message box. We have now completed the core loop logic. So summarize here is what we build is launch Excel, open the keywords.xl file, read the data as a table, loop through each row, extracted the keyword into a variable, display the keywords with message box. This is a foundation of our LinkedIn job bot. In the next part, we will take this keyword and use it to automate job search on a LinkedIn. So if this video helped you, please hit like button, subscribe, and drop a comment saying that Excel bot ready, so I know you are following along. In this next video, we will build the LinkedIn job search automation using the browser actions. Thanks for watching, and I will